Welcome to my channel Vision by Nal Blushi. Let's learn about using capital letter today. There is a question in grade 5, 6 and 7's exam paper that use the capitalization. There are some sentences which are not used very well correctly, so you have to use the capital letters there. Now I'm going to tell you some rules of using capital letters. How and where we use capital letters. Firstly, we use the capital letter starting of any sentence. Beginning of any sentence, we use the capital letter. Any first letter of any sentence. For example, I go to school. It is very nice. It is a very nice cat. So here first letter is capital. First letter of any sentence will be capital, not the word but the sentence. Okay, the next rule is the sight word I. With the sight word I. In Arabic we say ana. I mean me. You cannot make I small in words or in sentences. I should always be capital in words or in sentences. You can write I like this, not like this. It is wrong. Never write I if you mean me like this. It is wrong. Write I capital in words or in sentences. Next rule, names of the persons. Names of people or persons. Any name like Ahmed, Basit, Abir. Every name should be starting with the capital letter. You cannot write like this. It will be wrong. The names always starts with the capital letters. It's wrong if you write like this. Okay, the next one, names of the days. Days of the week. What are they like? Sunday should be capital. Monday, M should be capital. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. All of these names of the days of the week should be starting with capital letters. Next rule is names of month. January should be starting with capital. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. These all should start with the capital letter. You cannot write these names of the month with the small letters. And next, names of the languages and subjects. Language, English should be starting with capital letter, and subject should be science, art, maths, and like this, music. If music is a subject, so you can write like this. And next, names of pets. Not names of the animals, names of the pets. Like if you have a cat, you name that cat as Meg. So Meg, M should be capital. Or if you have a dog and that dog name is Tommy, Tommy T should be capital. Or Sam. Any of your pet name should be capital. And next, what else should be capitals? Nationalities. Or if somebody lives in Oman or from Oman, so that is Omani, O should be capital. And if from China, Chinese. Or any country you live in, India, Indian, this should be capital. And also the names of the places, like cities and countries. Muscat is a city. Muscat, M should be capital. Oman is a country. Oman, O should be capital. You cannot write the name of the city and the name of the country with the small letters. London, L should always be capital. America. Or you can write city names like Karachi. Sur. Los Angeles, and so on. One another thing is there. We also use, there is no place, but I can make one column for that. We can also use for capital letters. We can also use for names of holidays. Like Eid, Christmas, and so on. So you can take a screenshot of it and save it and learn the rules of using capital letters. If you get any question of using capital letters, remember these things. First letter always should be capital. The sight word I should be capital. Names of the people should be capital. Names of the days, names of month, names of languages and subjects, names of pets, nationalities, names of cities and countries, and names of the holidays.